Okay, today we'll be doing some PC squared, or setting up PC squared. I want to start with this website, so if you want to download it, go to pcsquared.ccs.github.io and download their stable release. And then once you're done, you should probably zip it, or unzip it, and get this file. So a couple of things before we start. PC squared is a little annoying. There's a lot of errors that can come up, and I'm going to try to cover all of them. But if you have any issues, you can contact me if I know you, and otherwise, I don't know, do whatever. So first things first, in order to know you're ready to go, open up command prompt, and what you want to do is check if you have the following commands. First, if you type in Java version, you should be able to have one of these versions. Preferably 1.8 is actually one of the better ones. You have less errors. I've noticed that like if you use later Java versions, it doesn't, like the compatibility isn't well, it doesn't transfer. And you also want Javac. This is their Java compiler, practically the same version, nothing too crazy. Now, if you have issues and it says you can't find it, you will want to go to your environment variables and here, go to your path and make sure these two bins are in your path, both the JDK and the JRE. This should be your default link unless you did something weird. Go here and make sure you add it as an environmental variable. Otherwise, you should be good to go. So going to PC squared, first thing you want to do is you want to get this link and put it as an environment variable as well here. Also, just for future purposes, go to projects, unzip this file. This is for the web interface. It'll be pretty cool, a lot easier for most modern contests. And you'll also want to add this as an environmental variable, this bin. So typically anything with a bin is what you really want with your environmental variables. And that's this link right here, the second one. Anyways, so other than that, you should be good. A good way to check you did everything right is go to this link, or go to the whatever, type in CMD. Oh, we don't need this anymore. Type in PC squared server. And you know it's good when it starts loading. My computer's being slow because I'm screen recording. But you'll also notice that you won't have an error here. Sometimes when you have an error, it'll say like your memory's too small or something like that. That's typically with the issues with like the Java version. That's why 1.8 64-bit is more preferable than other ones. If you're a 64-bit computer, you want Java 1.8 64-bit. I just searched up Java 1.8, not Javac, sorry, and downloaded that, one of the legacy downloads, the archive downloads. And you want to download whatever, I have Windows, so download this. Also, back to this page, you want to get their documentation, and that'll be this PDF right here. This will be kind of like your Bible for the rest of the video. It's pretty important. It's 177 pages. I highly recommend reading all of it if you have the time. Today we won't be going over the network part of things because that's a separate issue, but setting up the contest, submitting problems is probably what we're going to do. Okay, so back to PC squared. So let's get our files. Okay, so first things first, when you want to log in, type in site1. And that will begin your process. Make a contest password. I have my own password that I usually use. Then you'll have your server view. So this is basically what the server looks like. Nothing too special. You'll notice like localhost. This will change once you're using like an actual contest site. If this pops up, you should probably just allow access. There's not really a big deal. I think the administrator thing will pop up, but whatever. Okay, so yeah, this is good. Leave it here. Nothing really crazy is going to go on. And you'll have to pull up another command prompt right here. Actually, what we can do is Well, let me do it here. If I press this. Oh no, it's PowerShell. Ew. Command prompt? No, okay. Well, that sucks. Maybe I can drag it in here. Can I drag it in here? No. Okay. Whatever, it's fine. Yeah, okay. So you'll notice I can't really do much in this command prompt, so you're gonna have to pull up a bunch of these. It's annoying, but leave it. Anyways, so now we need to make our administrator. So PC2 admin, and should be something similar. Your login name will be root. This is the same for every single contest. You can start adding passwords and stuff like that later. Your password should be administrator1. For word format, I'll go back here. Administrator1, something like that. Now you got this. So this is your administrator layout, your UI. You want to generate your stuff. Just generate a couple of these. For your web API to work, you need at least 2 scoreboards, but I'm just going to put 3. You can change your site as well. So yeah, just generate those. You can change passwords later. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so if you want to change your password, just click edit, and then blah, blah, blah. So then like people won't be able to do log into other teams, something like that. Yeah, so back to here. This is their auto judge kind of thing. You can set up like problems and stuff like that. Okay, and what you want to do is add languages. So Java is pretty much what you're going to use. This javac is what they're going to put in the command line. That's why it's so important to have javac as your environmental variables, or as an environmental variable. That's pretty important. And otherwise, I don't think you need to check anything else. So just add it, and you should be good. Yeah, I don't think I'm missing anything. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do around here, but we can add like a test problem. I think I set up one. Let me see. I may have to make something up. Yeah, I do have to make something up. Okay, so this problem name could be A. Short name, A. It will require a short name. I'll have it read from a file, and I'll have an answer file. I'll just make one up right now. Notepad. Yeah. So you can add your own problems. I have like test cases and all that. That's great and all. I'll just have like, hello. And I will call it a.txt or in. So all your input files need to be in .in format. I'll make a new one and we'll output hello. So actually we'll call this world. And this will be a.ans. So typically your file name for the input should be the same as the output. It's just that the extension should be different. So let's add a problem. Oh wait, I'm already in that stage. Let me look for that. Oh, I guess we'll add another one. Problem A, short name A. Read from file. And go to, oh my god, so much stuff. I guess it defaults to documents. I put in downloads because I'm just lazy. Oh my god, okay, A. Search that up. Oh, great. A. Downloads. Should be at the very beginning, shouldn't it be? Yeah, there it is. So the input is here. There's an answer file. Call this, where is A? Bruh. Oh, there we go. A.ans. Yeah. So this should be good. You can have computer judging and the output validator. You'll have, I typically like to use diff. It just shows the difference between the two, your current answer or the submitted answer file that your your team, the team has submitted, and the answer that you provide. You can ignore case. That's something that's pretty cool. This is when you have multiple test data. And input validator, it comes in if you have like, most contests don't use this, but like sometimes in code forces, if you send like something with the wrong input, yeah, so this is not needed. It will show up as like a possible judging result. So I'm going to add it. Yeah, you don't need an input validator. Okay, so yeah, this is not needed. Okay, so next, wait, let me check something. What does my answer file look like? Okay, delete those. Okay, world, and then hello. Okay. So next, so this is your administrator. Cool stuff. Nothing too crazy. You'll also have to run the contest right here, but yes. Contest. Configure contest. Am I doing anything crazy? This is pretty cool. Yes. Okay. So cool. Next, what you want to do, go to here, go to your bin, or actually go back to your PC squared. Command prompt again, that's going to be your best friend. PC squared judge. So this is another one. So judge one. This will only pop up if you've generated it, by the way. Here's what the judge stuff looks like. You can check that out later. See if there's like a problem. And if you're bored, you can just do this and you'll never be able to click that. I give up. Yes. Okay. Next, let's do PC squared again, or CMD again. Let's do a scoreboard, or I think it's board. Scoreboard 1, scoreboard 1. Log into here. And should be loading, and you'll get this. You can see what the scoreboard's like, nothing too crazy. And CMD again. Okay. Finally, we have the cool one, which is team. And if you do team one, you get this. Pretty cool stuff. This is what it looks like. And if you want to submit, oh yeah, you can only do this when the contest starts. I'm going to make a Java file while we're at it. So let me open up Eclipse so I can solve this problem. My input was a string and my output was world. Eclipse will pop up. Okay, while this is loading, I will go to projects and I will show you how to do the web interface. So what you want to do is go to this folder, go here, and type in PC squared WTI. This should pop up. Check your environmental variables. It should be good. Also make sure that this is here, right? It has found it. If it has not found this init file, you messed up. So make sure that's an environmental variable. And it should work if you do localhost. I can type 8080, and you'll be here. Sorry, it was covering. And it is the same thing as what is on here, all this stuff, but just cooler and a lot cleaner. You can see the scoreboard, all that. I'm pretty sure this also works for judges as well. Yeah, and administrators, I think. which is pretty cool, but it's typically used for teams. There's not really a point for non-team people. Okay, so let's go back to team one. Team one. Okay, and yeah, everything should be set up. And Eclipse is still not running. Oh, bruh. It's because I uninstalled Java and all that crap. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to fix Eclipse later. For now, we'll go back to good old Replit. Because Replit is where it's at. And I will log in with GitHub then, because that doesn't work. Ah, GitHub works, nice. Okay, let's create a Java file. I don't really care what name it is. Okay, public class main. Okay, class main. Actually, I'll just call this A. Why not? Typically, you want to name it your problem name. Let's import a scanner. Is there a world at the end? No, there's no exclamation point. New scanner system.in string hello equals to se.next. Or actually, this should be a new file. A.in. No. Actually, wait. Do system in. Why not? And download. Or actually, I should probably check if this even works. It should work though. Hello. Hello. Or Oh wait, this is running main. Right? Yeah, this is running main. Javac a.java. So what this is doing, it's compiling a.java. And then Java a.class. Or Java a.java. Oh, hello world. Okay, it worked. Good. Yes. Okay. Recap. If you want to use the terminal, you compile it with Javac, and then you load with Java. Okay, next things next. Oh, okay. I have my file. Let's submit it. So first things first, you want to go to your administrator. And it gets messy real soon, but it's you typically have more than one computer within using this type of stuff. Why is... Huh. I guess I don't have administrator, don't I? Oh, I guess I closed it, maybe. The board is still open. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have to get in my admin again and start the contest. Yeah, so first thing you want to do is just run the contest. Where is it? I think it's about, no. Run. Where is run contest? Where is it? Oh, there we go. Times. Start. Or start that guy. And it's running. So now you can submit a problem. Go to A, go to Java, go to your main file that you want to submit. I just want to submit a.java and submit. Then, if you have a judge open, You're probably gonna need to open a judge. Judge. So right now it's sent to the server, and now the judge is picking it up. Oh, this says computer judgment. Okay. What is going on? It should judge. View judgments. Or auto judge. Yeah, so the file has been sent. That's good. Let me see something real quick. I think I made a mistake when I'm making my problem. I'm going to change this to standard input. I'll do manual judging. Do manual judging. Set, yeah, update. Okay. Back to this, my judge. Judge. Okay. Well, let's send it again. Sorry. I think I made a mistake, but it's fine. We'll send it again. Okay, now the judge thing. Okay, so I guess don't use computer judgment. It's a little complicated, but I don't want to use it. So execute run. It's compiling. And it's executing. It's validating. And it looks like it passed. World, right? Hello. And validator. Oh, this is just for validating. Judge output and team output. Yay, you passed. Wow. So yeah, accept, and then you got it right. So maybe if you want to really spice things up because you're a crazy person, you can do, like, instead of world, you can do hello. I'm just making sure this works real quick. Hello. Oh, wait, what? Ah, bro. I keep thinking it's a.class. I'm so washed. Oh my god. Okay. Let's go back to my file. Delete A and download it again. Okay. So now let's send it in. So don't use computer judgment. My bad. I was just trying to play with it. I thought it would be a good help. Submit that guy in. Pick up the judge. Execute it. And looks like it failed. No. So my team output was hello. And my judge output was world. Well, that's annoying, right? That's good. Everything's good. Time is pretty cool here. You can change time if you want to. You're really bored. Otherwise, yep. And build some here. This is so cool. I'm just exploring more things. Okay, so you failed. You suck. And you select your judgment. You can accept the validator. Or you can be like a really annoying person and say, your time out exceeded. That would be pretty funny. Yeah. Oh no, I time out. Yeah. So that's submitting a problem. Let's check out clarifications, right? I'm going to say, like, I hate your problem because you are stupid. Right? Then I think it pops up in the administrator. No, judge. So judgment's here. That's cool. Yeah. What am I doing? I'm sorry. I'm just goofing off. I'm having so much fun. Okay. Clarifications. I hate your problem. You are stupid. And I can answer it and say, no, you. I can set this to all teams with that guy. No, you. And then... No, no, you. Yeah, so then all this stuff comes up. Score. Oh, I forgot to say this. Actually, whatever, score. Yeah, typically when we're doing stuff, we'll look at time and all that stuff like that. We'll see who submitted at what time. Let's see. Let's go to, I think this is reports. No, team status. Here. Standings, yeah. So if I submit another one, what do you call it? I'm getting slow. Oh, this one doesn't have the rate thing, does it? Oh, whatever, I don't care. Submit. And where's the judge? Look at the judge. I'll just say it's yes, no one cares. It's yes. Or actually, wait. Yeah, it only picks the latest one. I guess what I have to do is do team 2. And if I submit no. Submit. Get the judge. We'll say it's yes. And now, yeah. That's it. I'm pretty sure that's all I need to cover for PC2. The networking part of things should be done with your teacher. And if your teacher doesn't know how to do it, you may have to ask like other schools because that stuff is pretty complicated. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I'm missing anything. But other than that, the networking part, you want to change your IP. You can see all the runs, see all your things. Yeah, that's pretty much it. A lot of it is errors within your environmental variables, so make sure that's correct. But other than that, everything is good, and PC2 is pretty nice. Yeah, and I'll end it here.